and I love you all. This is Bunmi Ajibade is associating back with you to support her governor and her president, to support the next governor of Lagos State, which you have told us, and the next president of this country. Because this school, I know we are batified here. Are we not? Yes. And she's batified. She's an alumni of our next president. She's with our next president. You know our next president is Ashiwaju. He's the next president of this country. And that is the reason why we are gathered here, to support her. She's supporting Ashiwaju. She's supporting the next governor of this state. Okay? And that is why she's bringing him back to you. So when you get home in your own place, you tell them our next governor, our local. Our local. Our local is Ashiwaju. Our local is Sanwo-Olu.
Someone very special because he's you, because he's you.
Okay, so do you know I love you?
You love me.
We are happy
family. We can play.
Please don't give me the hand. So it's actually, let's keep quiet, let's keep quiet. Let's keep quiet. It's nice to meet you all, and I'm also happy to be in your midst, and I love you all. Let's begin.
On behalf of members of staff,
we thank our sweet mother for what she has been doing for us. We thank you, ma. God bless you, ma.
I pray that your administration, our sweet mother, Bunmi Ajibade administration will not collapse. In the mighty name of Allah.